Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this knife in Blender, this stylish knife in Blender. My mouse is not working properly, so let's try to model this. Okay, let it be. Let's try to model this. First, hello friends, that's it. So this is our final model of a knife. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So let's take a quick render of this scene. So or let it be, this is fine. So this is very beginner friendly model, anyone can model this type of knife. So that's it friend, I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some animation videos, also some 3D uh, gaming videos, also some gaming videos. So please stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.